Hello. Today, we're going to have a look at how to create a split-level house. To create a split-level house you have three tools. Level and room types in the layout step, ground in the exterior step and shapes in the material step. Firstly, you have to create a height difference between the two parts of your project. Here, the difference is almost 3 feet and 3 inches between the right and the left parts. In the layout step, on the ground floor, change the height of your level here. This will increase the height of the whole project by 3 feet and 3 inches. All the rooms have the same slab and height underselling. Click on Room Options and change the height of the elevated part. For each room of this part, you have to modify the slab. Add 3 feet and 3 inches to the slab. For the lower part, draw the roof on the ground floor and modify its height by 8, minus 2.5. Draw the other roof as usual on superior level. Next, we're going to change the exterior to have different levels which will correspond with the house. This area needs to be elevated by 3 feet and 3 inches. You now need to fill the void that was created by this action by using shapes. In the Materials step, choose the shape you need. You can uncheck Collision option during your shape modifications. Modify its dimensions in the right panel. If you want, you can also create stairs. When you have finished with the shapes, you can apply a material. The assistant will help you save time with the Activate Repeat Choice option. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.